Hey, morning folks. How are you all doing? I've just got a request here for two questions to do with calculus and the chain rule or rule by substitution. So it's this question here. So basically what we're given is this, is that y is equal to 1 over root x plus 7x. Okay, so that's what we're given with. Now, the tricky part of this is you have to try and find what your substitution is going to be. Okay, so if you look at this, imagine I put x in and I said let x equal to 4. Okay, if x is equal to 4, that would be the square root of 4, which is 2, plus 7 times 4, which is 28, so it would be 1 over 30. Now I could write that as 30 to the power of minus 1. So, in a similar vein, that can be written as the square root of x plus 7x to the power of minus 1. So you're taking the whole lot. And now you look at this. We have it in the format for the chain rule or by substitution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let u equal to the square root of x plus 7x. So y will now become u to the power of minus 1. And then you're going to differentiate both of these and then multiply both of them. So du dx, so that's x to the power of a half, so it will be half of x, half minus 1 is minus a half, plus 7, which is 1 all over 2 root x plus 7. And dy du is going to be equal to minus u to the power of minus 2, which is 1 over u squared. So now, if I want to get dy dx, I'm going to multiply this by this. So dy dx will be equal to 1 all over 2 root x plus 7, and put a bracket around that, and that's going to be multiplied by 1 now all over u squared, and we know that u is equal to the square root of x plus 7x squared. And you can leave it like that, and that's it done. So again, the parts of that was the hardest part was getting it in the right format, and that, invariably that's always the way with these questions. You have to go and get it into the format. So for you to go and solve that, you have to write it like that. Okay? So it's the square root of x plus 7x. So that was that one there. Now, the other one then, question was, that I got requested, was as follows. Here we go. So it was 8 part 4. So we've got the square root of x plus 1 over x squared, okay? So we have y is equal to the square root of x plus 1 over x squared. Now, in this question here, you're actually going to be combining the quotient rule with the chain rule. So you have to start off and you have to say as follows. Let u equal to x plus 1 all over x squared. So now y is equal to the square root of u. So dy du, we'll differentiate this first of all. And that's going to be equal to, so that's u to the power of a half. So it's a half of u to the power of minus half. And the more of these you do, you just know them automatically then, which is 1 all over 2 root u. That's one part. The next part of the puzzle, we call it, say, is this here. I need to get du dx. Now, what I always say to people is this. Go and do this on a separate sheet, and then bring your answer back and pop it in here. Think of it like a jigsaw puzzle or a piece of a puzzle. So you go and do that separately and then pop it in here. Okay? So if I've got x plus 1 over x squared now, so that's the quotient rule. So u is equal to x plus 1. So du dx is equal to 1. And v is equal to x squared. So dv dx is equal to 2x. And the quotient rule tells me it's v times du dx, which is 1, minus u, which is x plus 1, times dv dx, which is 2x, all over v squared. So it's going to be x squared squared. If you want, you can multiply that out. You got x squared, that's going to be minus 2x squared minus 2x all over x to the power 4. And just because you're bringing this back, it's just making it neat and tidy. So that's just going to be minus x squared minus 2x. All over x to the power 4. So just check your answer as well. So u, v, 1, the derivative is 2x. So it's v by du dx, u by dv dx, minus that. So that's x squared. Minus 2x, so that's minus 2x squared, minus 2x, so that's right. So this is my answer here, and this is what I need to bring in over here to the previous page. So it's minus x squared minus 2x all over x to the power 4. So it's put it in here, and we have minus x squared minus 2x all over x to the power 4. So now your answer is going to be, so dy dx, so we know it's just going to be du dx times dy du, and that's going to be equal to minus x squared minus 2x over x to the power 4 multiplied by 1 all over 2 times the square root of u, and the square root of u was equal to square root of x plus 1 over x squared. And you can leave it like that. That's another thing people get worried about, that you have to simplify that. You don't. Because what you have to remember is with calculus, this is just a formula now for the slope at any point, at any given point. So if I want the slope of 1, I put 1 in for x. If I want the slope of 2, so it doesn't matter, I don't have to simplify it, because I'm just going to fill in a number for x to allow me to get the slope. So that's what that's used for. Okay, I hope you found that okay, that you found it useful. And if there is any questions regarding that, just send me an email and I can go through it again. Okay, and thanks for the email, and any more questions, let me know.